This animation details how to safely assemble and install MGF Stairsafe and support beams. It should be watched in conjunction with the Safe System of Work animation for Stairsafe. MGF Stairsafe requires additional support beams to be installed once the required vertical height is over 4.6 metres. For these heights, the Stairsafe would require 27 or 36 steps. Please refer to the MGF technical file for details on which Stairsafe lengths require the additional beam support. In this case, a 36-step Stairsafe assembly is required, which utilises a combination of end section support beams as well as middle section support beams. Assembly should commence by laying each component neatly on timber skids. Ensure all components are not damaged and the relevant PPE is used. Be aware of finger trap hazards throughout the assembly and installation. Stairsafe support beams can be supplied flat packed. To assemble these, simply lift up each side and then swivel the central sections together and connect using a bolt and nut. The sections should be flipped over prior to connecting to the other support beams. The end sections are assembled in the same way. Support beam sections are heavy and should only be handled using plant. Support beam sections are secured together using the supplied M10 nuts and bolts. Ensure the fixings are sufficiently tightened. Once all support beam sections have been joined together, 50mm thick timber packers should be placed on top of the support beams prior to lowering on the unconnected stair components. The Stairsafe components should now be connected. Following this, the timber packers can be removed. Ensure the bolts on the support beam connectors are removed prior to this operation. The end of the Stairsafe should be positioned as shown to ensure the connectors on the support beams line up with the Stairsafe components. Once positioned, the support beams can be secured to the stairs by connecting nuts and bolts through the connection points. The fully assembled unit can now be lifted and installed as shown on the existing Safe System of Work animation for Stairsafe.